Oh, did I forgot to record? Yes, I did forget. This is Sunday, okay? Now, what day is this one? Which day is it? You can try.
Saturday.
Really Saturday?
Friday.
It should be Friday.
Friday.
Now, for this type of question,
Thursday, I think. Thursday or Friday.
Saturday.
Okay. For those in primary 3, this is primary 4. Okay, this is primary 4. You can go back to the main room and go and join the primary 4. Sorry, go to the main room and join the primary 3. Okay, and you can leave the meeting and join the primary 3. It's okay. This is primary 4. And now, for normal year. Oops. Okay, 365 days for normal year and 50 weeks and a day. But when you can't back, okay, you can't back 2020. Of course, it's a leap year, but you haven't count on the 29th of February. So this you can count as a normal year. So what's the date? So you will find out that this will be equal to Saturday. You can check the calendar yourself. Okay, you can check the calendar yourself. So so the day before. This should be a Friday. It should be a Friday. Okay. Because you haven't reached the 29th of February. Okay. Now, of course, 2020 is a leap year, but you haven't count across the 29th of February, so it doesn't count. Okay. Okay. Next one. Question 4. Bruce father's age this year at 5 and divide by 7 minus 3 and multiply by 4. The reason will be 12 years old. How is Bruce's father this year? Actually, you can do it backward. You start with 12, okay? Actually, it's very simple. You do it backward, okay? So 12 multiply by 4, then divided by 4, okay? And equal to 3. And minus 3. So minus 3, okay, you get a 6. And then
times 7.
6 times 7 is 42, and 42 minus 5 is 37. So the answer is 37, okay? 37. Just do it backward. All the operation go backwards, okay? 12 first, multiply by 4 becomes divided by 4, minus become add, divided become multiply, add become minus, and then you get the answer. Okay. Question 5.
Okay.
It requires 30 minutes to cut a piece of wood in 6 sections. Okay. If the time required to cut each section is the same, how many minutes are required to cut in 5 sections?
25.
25. Really 25?
24.
24.
It should be 24. Because 24. Because if you cut in 6 sections, you have cut 5 times. Okay.
Usually we have to cut 5 times to get 6 sections.
You cut 5 times, okay? Then if 5 sections, they will cut 4 times.
20.
4 times, okay? So you just need to do what you need to do is 30 times divided by 5 times 4 is 24. Okay? 30 divided by 5 is 6, 6, 7, 24. Very, very simple. Okay. You just bear in mind that you have to bear in mind that you cut 6 sections, you need to cut 5 times, and you make 5 sections, you will cut 4 times. It's okay. Then you can get the answer. Okay. Next one. Question 6. In class 4A, all students queue up for form a rectangle. ND stands on the most right row, and his left-hand side is 12 students. There are 4 students in front and 5 students behind ND respectively. How many students are there in class 4A? And now, actually, you can draw some diagram like this one, okay? Oops. Oh, oops. I make it back. That should be right. Okay. Andy at the rightmost. Andy here. Okay. Oh, there are 12 guys here. And then 5 here and 4 here. So the total number of students, it's very simple. It's just 12 plus 1 times 5 plus 4 plus 1. Just don't leave out Andy himself, okay? So it's 130. Just 130.
130.
Yes, 130. Yes, it's 130. Actually, it's simple. It's simple. Actually, I can change. You can change the question because I can say that Andy is standing in the middle, and there are 5 people always counting from him. How many people are there? So I just change it. Just change it. Let's see. Okay, I just change the question. In the middle. Okay.
Side 11 into 11.
121.
121.
121.
Really? All sides. 121? Really?
141.
No.
It's 130. 130. 441.
It should be 441. It should be 441 because it's in the middle. Yes. Someone got the right equation because Andy is in the middle. So there should be 21 guys in each row, and so it should be 441. Okay. It should be 441. It should be 441. Actually, you can draw some diagram like this one. You can draw the diagram something like this one. Okay. Let me see. Oops, again. Oops. Andy here. Okay. Again. Then you will get the answer. 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. So the total here will be 21, and total here should be also 21. So you just multiply these two, okay? That will be 441. What the 12 student? What? No. The 12 student, the answer is about 130, okay? The answer to question 6 is 130. I just make a new question on this one, okay? The answer for question 6 is 130. I just make a new question for question 6, okay? Okay, any question on this one? These two. Okay, maybe you feel that I got it next, okay? Okay, question 6. Okay, now the arithmetic question 7. And now arithmetic. Okay. Actually, maybe you got the you got your mathematics. Yes. What happened? What happened? Hi, any question? Actually, the one that last will be 11 times 12 times 16. Oh, this one is 11 times 3 times 8. So the middle one will be 6. Okay. So you just adding up will be equal to 11 times 3 times 8 plus 4 times 6 plus 12 times 16. You take out the 11. You take out the 11. Okay. You can take out the 11 because they are all in 11. So you can take just treat this if you have played Super Mario Brothers, and you can treat this as this is the 11 as a Mario. Okay. Okay. Then you calculate the one in the bracket. 3 times 6 is 24. And 4 times 6 is also 24, and 12 times 16 was that is 192. Is it? I think did I get it wrong? Okay.
Is 640 the correct answer?
So what's this one? So what's this one? I think it's 240. Is it 200? Is it 192 plus 48? 192 is 440. So it's 11 times 240. So we have 2640. Should be 2640.
640.
Okay, 2640. Of course, you can have other ways because we are there. Also, you take the 22 is instead of 11 is also okay. Okay, the next one. Let's say 16 divided by 9 plus 48 divided by 9. Because all are divided by 9, you can what you can do is adding up the
Take out the 9.
Adding all up, and then use the whole thing to divide by 9. Okay. You the 9. So it should be 16 plus 48. What's this one? It's 16 plus 40. It's 60. It's still 7. It's 7. Okay. But actually, if you count the divisor as a numerator, the fraction 9, you can take the as a fraction 9. Actually, it's doing what's doing is adding. It's just something like this one.
1, 3.
Is 16 over 9 plus 48 over 9 plus 11 over 9 minus 12 over 9. Actually, the same as this one. Okay. If your school has taught you about the adding up or subtracting fractions, it's just like calculated fractions. Okay, it's the same. It's the same. You can treat the dividing side as a fraction 9. Then you got this one. Then it is same as doing the one in the middle. Okay. Okay, any question? Okay, now next one. Actually, this one, I think you need to think more. But if you are smart enough, h equal this one. Okay, this one, h and but if you calculate this one, will be very tedious. Okay, if you calculate very tedious, you need to do somewhat like this. And what I will do here, use some golden finger. Okay, and you will get the answer. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay. We start with it back. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. This one. Yes. And you will find it much faster than you do it like this one. Okay. because 1 over 1 times anything will be in 3 digits, will be just copying the 1 in 2. Okay, you just copy the 1 to 1 twice and times 11. And you have some quick method for multiplying 11. For example, no. I think I give you some. You have quick method for doing this. You have a quick method for doing this because it's times 11. You just copy the last. Now first, I will show you how to do it. First, you copy the last digit 7, and what is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7 is 3, and carry 1 to the front. 5 plus 6 is 11, and plus the carry 2 and carry 1, and then you do the same. So the answer is 302. So you got the answer with this one. Okay, you just adding the adjacent digit together and put the unit digit on the way, and you carry it and all the other can carry it, and you got the answer. Okay. Question 10. Question 10. Find the value of this one. 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 21 plus 3. You can use actually they are not in arithmetic sequence, so you cannot use the Gaussian method. They are not arithmetic sequence because they are still 4 4 2 4 4 2 4 4 2. Okay, but you can what you can do is you just you can add in group of 3. Okay, group of 3. It should be okay. The group of 3 because this equal to 45 plus 75 plus 105 plus this one. That will be much simpler for you. They will 360. This will be 360. Okay.
Why can't we use the pairing method?
Yes, you can use a pair. You can pair 11 and 49. You also get the answer. You also get. But if you want to do it faster, and you will find that because the average of 11 and 19 is 15. So you just this one will be because the average of 11 and 19 is 15. You just the sum of this one will be 15 times 3. And this one, the sum will be 25 times 3. 25 times 3. And this one will be 35 times 3. And 45 times 3. So you got it. So you easily got the answer. You something like this one. Okay. Oh, actually, you can take the 3 and adding up 15, 25, 35, and 45, and you got 120 and times 3 will be 360. Okay. Okay. Any question? Okay. Next one. 11. Actually, you can use negative numbers, but for me, I will use this method. Okay. It just change the order. It will be okay. If I change the order, it will become this one. There will be a couple of tools in the front. Because 14 minus 36 is 2. 36 is get omitted something. It should be 44. Okay. It should be this one. And you need to count the number of tools here. You need to count the number of tools here. It's okay. There are 7 tools here, so it should be 26. Okay. There are tools here. Okay. 大家教我， don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. You just swap the order. You just swap the order. That will be very good. You just saw that will be very easy. Okay. You find that all are tools, and the last time omit it and adding after you cut all the tools here. Okay. Okay. Next one. 12. Find the value of 256 and times 25 times 4. Okay, yes, if you count it because it's very simple. But actually, what I'm asking here is, you find the number of tools because you will find out that 256 equal to 2 to the power of 8. Or maybe if you know what you don't know what is the 2 to the power of x, it means 2 times 2 by 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 2. Okay. Okay, but for mathematicians, you don't always write down how many number of tools, because when you find some kind of 2 to the power of 1,000, 2 to the power of 1,000, you really want to write 1,000 tools here? Okay, so for simplicity, you just type 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is okay. So 25 here is equal to 5 squared, and here this is 7 times 5 to the power of 4. Okay. Or maybe I take the order. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now we count the 5 and count the 2s because you know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So you count there there will be 6 zeros. So the 256 times 25 times this one will be equal to this one. Okay. Because 10 to the power of 6 will be only you need to write 6 zeros at the back. And 4 times 6 is equal to 28. So the 28 adding 6 zeros at the back. Okay. That means 28 million. 28 million. Because 2 times you times 6 times for 10 times 6 times will be 1 million. Okay, 1 million times 4 times 7 will be 28 million. Finish. Just that simple. Okay, next one. Okay, now a 9-digit number 2020 A3542 is divisible by 11. Find the maximum value of A. Okay, now we know that. Okay, now we know that. How can I test for the divisibility of 11? You need to calculate the digits. Okay, there are 2 ways to do it, but I use a simpler way. You need to calculate the alternate digits. So this one will be 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, which equal to 11 plus 8. Okay, and the other way around, 4 3 0 0. Okay, then we will be adding up to 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 7. So 11 plus 8 minus 7 will be equal to 11 times something. Okay, then 4 plus 8 equal to 11 times something, and which means 8 is a single digit number, so 8 should be 7. 8 should be 7. Does any of you don't know how to test the divisibility of 11? Any of you don't know how to test the divisibility of 11? Okay, I give you a more. If you don't know, I give you something like this one. Okay. Now, very simple. This one. How can you know that this one will be divisible by 11? So you just calculate this 2 digit and this 2 digit. This also equal to 4. Okay. Then okay. The difference between these two, if it is difference between these two, okay. Or just if you have P3, you just go to the main room and join P3, okay? If you have P3, you go to the main room and join P3, okay?
But they need the code too.
Oh, the same code is the same code, or maybe you ask, maybe you go to the main room, okay? And okay, first, any question on 13? Okay, any question on 13? Okay, any question on 13 or the original principle? So I give you a number of the test. Okay, I give a number of test. Okay, I give a number of test. How about this one? Can it get divisible by 11?
No.
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 Yes, no. It's no. The answer is no. You just add this string up. Okay, you add these 4 digits up. 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 3. This should be added up to 6 here. 6 here, and then you add the digits here. Okay, this is 9. Okay, the difference is not a multiple.
Excuse me.
Yes.
If we add 8 at the end, can we divisible by 11? If we add 8 after 2.
No. It should be -8. It should be -8. Not 8. Because the remainder here is 8. It should be F3, okay? It should be F3. F3, okay? Not 8, F3, okay? Because you need to actually you need to -6 by 9. Actually, but if you for primary 4, you just need the larger number to a smaller number because we need to find is this divisible. But if you need to find the remainder, you need to find minus the odd numbers group to even number group. Okay. Okay. X minus sign. Yes, with negative, but if I get converted to 8, okay. Okay, if I convert to egg. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. Okay. Now, just by definition, okay, of a symbol, you just put the you do the one in the bracket first. You do the one in the bracket first. So the first one is 4 plus 7 times 2. Oops, 4 plus 7 times 2 minus 12. Okay, the first one. Then the first step is this one. Okay, it's 22. Is 22 minus 12 is 10. Okay. And the next step is 10 plus 7, 10 plus 7 times 2, oops, times 2 minus 20. So it should be 14. Should be 14. Okay. Nothing special. You just treat the left hand side is A and the right hand side is B and put the answer. It's okay. So just do the bracket, the one in the bracket first. And if you want to eat, you don't make any noise, okay? You just mute your, okay? You eat yourself, okay? Don't ask me. It's your freedom, okay? Okay. Now next one. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. Okay, the next unit teacher of this one, 2 times 2 times 2, 2020, and 3 by 3 by 3, 2020, x by x is 2020. Okay, very simple. Okay, because now you just give you some example. Because it's a periodic. Okay, this periodic. You just periodic. Okay, 2 by 2, 2. Okay, 2 by 2 is 4.
I think the answer is 6.
Okay, now 2. When you have for number 2, there's a 4 in the row. Okay, there's 2, 4, x6, 2, 4, x6, 2, 4, x6. And it's the same for 3. Okay, 3 is 5, 9, 7, 1. And for x will be 8, 4, 2, 6. Okay, because when you divide 2020 by 4 is equal to 545 without remainder, or remainder 0. So you just take all this. You just take the last one, 616. The answer will be 6 by 1 by 6, which equal to 6 at the back. The answer is 6. The answer is 6. Okay. The answer is this one.
So we need to do the way also, yeah?
Yes.
Need to write.
Oh, you
Okay.
because actually you try all the digits. Some of them are not in period 4, but most of them are in period 4 because some of them are period 2 or period 1. Now you can try yourself. You can try yourself. Okay. Now you start with you start with this one. You start 2. 2 is for 2 is 2, 4, 8, 6. and 3 is 3, 9, 7, 1, and 4 is 4, 6, 4, 6. So it's this 4 is period 2. 5 is also always 5, and 6 is always 6, and 7, 9, 3, 1, and 8, 4. So it's 4, 2, 6. Hey. And for 9 is 9, 1, 9, 1. So you just check the periodicity and get the unit digit and get is okay. Yes. Someone pointed out. Okay, some of you point out that this one, the facts. Okay. So you just change the number and you just check the table and then you got the answer. Okay, 16. Now, yes, you just check the period, okay? So finally, actually, I can go back this way. Finally, you can very simply you find the what is the you can find the unit digit of this one. The unit digit of this one will be 4. Very simple. The unit digit will be 4. You just check that it's odd or even. Check the power is odd or even. Because if it's odd, then will be 4. If it's even, then will be 6. Finish. Because if you can simplify this, okay. Just check the periodicities. Okay, next one. 16. The sum of positive numbers A and B is 360. A is 9 times of B. Find the value of A. Okay, very simple. You just because A is 9 times of B, so you find out that A equal to the 9B. Okay, then sum is 0. So just divide 360 by 10, which equal to 36, which equal to B. So A is equal to 360 times 9.
324.
Which ratio? 324. Yes, 324. Yeah, very good. Just that simple. Okay. Also, you can do it like something like this. Also, you can like something like this. Okay. No problem. Okay. You can use you just minus. Okay. Okay. Next one. 17. The sum of 7's consecutive number is 119. Find the largest odd number. So actually, you don't actually need to make that uncomfortable. You just divide 119 by 7. What's this one? It's 17. Okay, it's 17. Now, the 17 will be 1 in the middle. So you just insert the numbers here. So this the question mark, the one in the question mark that you want to find. So 19, 21. So the answer is 23. Finish.
19.
Finish.
Largest even 20.
Oh, consecutive. Okay, consecutive. Then 20. Consecutive 20. Odd number. Largest odd number will be 19. The largest odd number. Okay. And then you know that it's 17. Then 18, 19, 20. So the largest odd number will be 19. Okay. I just pieced out the concept odd number. So the answer is 19. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay. The next one. What is the largest three-digit number can divide over 4 and 6? So you just first find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, you don't know. Okay, 12. Okay, 12. So you just find the largest multiple of 12. But if you don't want to do it, just divide by 12. Okay. Just divide by 12. So the largest number will be 996, okay? The answer will be 996. Yes. $996. Yes, 996, okay? 996. Very simple. Very simple, okay? Okay. 19. A big square is formed by 260 small squares with side length 1 cm. What is the perimeter of big square in cm? Oh, really? Now, a big square formed by 216 four squares. Well, actually this one I think this one have the question is some kind set wrong because 206 is not a square number. But if I use if you encounter this kind of question, you'll find the square number. You'll find the nearest square number. Okay. Find a square number. Just smaller than 260. Okay. Find a square just smaller than 260. It should be 900. It should be this one. It should be this one. So 196. Okay, equal to 40 times 14. So one side of the square will be 14. So the answer is 40 times 4 is 56. Okay. Because you find the perimeter, not the area. Okay. Now, the perimeter will be okay. The area will be 96. The total perimeter 14 times 4. Because the 416, I think is set one. Okay, it should set one because they said they haven't think that it's a cube. It's a cube. So he haven't correct the answer to 36. Okay. But if you take the if you can encounter that this kind of question in the examination and you find that the answer the question set or you find a nearest, I think 40 is okay. Yes, the question is set wrong, but they not set by me. But I think it's wrong. Okay. Oh, some question mark because not a square number. Not a square number. Okay, so you find a square just more than 260 because if and then all the squares will be used used in the now the big square. Okay, or maybe if you are not so happy with this, I'll change the number. Okay, if you are not happy with this, I change the number. Okay, no, it's not 216. I give you this number 1024. Okay, now what's the perimeter? Oh, okay, very good, very good. Most of you have done it. Okay. So the answer should be 128, okay? 128, okay? Yes, very good. What piece? Why piece? Why piece?
Wrong sana.
Yeah, 128. Yes, 128. Yes, 128. Okay. Okay, very good. Yes, yes, yes. I give you a very, very good number. Okay, 20. The figure below is formed by three identical squares with size 16. Find the area of the figure below. Now, oh no. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, actually, it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. But for my students in Hong Kong, I told them from since primary 5. Okay, I will tell them to remember the square numbers from 1, 4, 9, 16 up to blah 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 to 1 to. I told them to memorize these square numbers because they 1024 and just over 1000. Just over 1000. Okay, because you will use this number often in computer. Okay, because you will know that. Okay, okay, just leave it. Okay. Now question 20. The figure below is formed by three identical squares with size 16 cm. Find the area of the figure below. Very simple. Very simple. What quick. How quick? How can I be so quick? What quick? Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, start with this one. Actually, you can cut this way. So the answer will be 8 times 6 times 10, 640. Oh, you don't need to recite order, okay? That's 640. 640. Okay, if you don't understand, I will draw more lines here. So you will kind of number small square. There are 10 small squares here. Each square 8 times 8. Finish. Okay. If you really want to do this, if you want to do other thing like this, will be 16 times 16 times 2.5. 16 times 2 is also 240. It's 640. Okay. Another way to do it. Yes. Really 11? Who said 11? Really 11? Okay. Any question on this one? Okay. Very good. The next one. The pyramid rectangle is 36. If the size of the rectangle is an integer, find the maximum area of the rectangle. Try first, okay? You try first. Oops. I know that you have already, okay? 81. Don't put unnecessary, don't write down unnecessary units, okay? we don't have units here, okay? We don't have units here. The units should not maybe not cm, should be maybe meter. So you don't put any unnecessary unit. Because we need to the maximum. So you have big E into a square. Big E to the square, okay? So square 9 by 9. Okay? Most of you have done it. Not as actually a square is a type of rectangle. Square is a type of rectangle because the rectangle is counted as four angles. Is a right angle. Rectangles, the definition of a rectangle will be if the 4 angles are right angles. Okay, so square can fulfill the requirement and also rectangles. Yes, it's a square, also a square, but okay. Okay. Or maybe if you are not good with this, and I will give you some more. I will give you this one. How about not maximum? How about minimum? How about minimum? Not maximum. How about minimum?
36.
Maybe 36? Not 36. 17. Yes, 17. 17. Not 36. Because it should be something like this one. It should be something like this one. The periodicity is 36. Okay. Okay. If you want to make yourself good, yes, long rectangle. Not 1 time 36, because 1 time 36 the area will be what? The area will be 36, but the perimeter will not be 36. Will be 1 plus 36 times 2 will be 74. If this is 36 by 1, the perimeter will not be 36. Okay, this one, the perimeter will be 74. Very, very straightforward. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the next one. Yes, square is not a rectangle, but rectangle is not a square. So very good. Actually, you can treat it as your mother is a woman, but not all women are your mother. Okay, next one. Okay, 132. 32. Yes, 32. 32. Yes, 4 by 4 by 2. Very good. Very good. Now you know that. But for those who don't know how to do it, I will do it very simply. Now you just count the lines, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You count the line at you just mark the lines here. So the line will be 4 times 4 times 2 times 1. Okay, 32. Just that simple. Just that simple. Okay. Just multiply this volume. If you don't know how to do it, just multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 number. Just multiply this 4 number. Okay. Or maybe if you want to some more exercise, yes, 32. Yes, 32. If you want more exercise, I will give you. How about this one? How about this one? That's 54. That's very good. 54. You just can't. Okay. You will count 3 here. Count 3 here. And count 3 here. So the answer is 3 by 3 by 3 by 2.
Excuse me.
Yes, yes.
If there is 2 dots, like what?
If there's 2, what? If there's 2?
2 dots, like
2 dots. Okay, 2 dots. Okay, 2 dots. Okay, I will discuss it. Okay, stop spamming. Okay, stop spamming. Okay.
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 Okay. No. I'm not. Sorry. So somebody spamming in the chat room. Okay. Okay. Now, if there's 2 dots. Okay. If 2 dots, say something like that. Maybe I give example something like this one. There's 2 dots. I think start at the dot. Okay. These 2 dots. Okay. You just can't. Now, first, you count these 2 individually. You just can't do individually. Okay. Maybe I will give it for a different type. So you find this will be 54. Then this one is 32. Is it? Is it 32? Okay.
Yes.
Now, adding these 2, but minus the one can't in this square, can't this square, minus the one which can't this square, because they are double counted. They're double counted. So you just try this square will be so this is 2, this is 2, 3, this is 2. So just 54 plus 32 minus 2 by 2 by 3. This is 12. This is 12. Okay. 54 plus 32 minus 12 is 74. Okay. It should be 74.
Okay.
Because all these in the big square, all these in the big square will be counted twice. Okay.
If at another place, another door also like that. Yeah.
How many rectangle with back dots or star are there in the figure below? Yes. When or maybe you will be asked something like that, because in Hong Kong there's a competition which is asked in primary 3. Okay, this question is asked in primary 3, but not the diagram is not so small. It will be 7 times 6. Okay, not so small. Actually, I can find the question for you. Actually, the one which asked in that year will be something like this one. It's something like this one. Okay. Oops. Actually, the question is something like this one. Yes, there's an overlap. Yes, there's overlap. There's overlap. Yes. Okay, 200. Yes, 200. Answer is 200. Okay, for A will be for A. This is for A, and this is for B. And the way the double counted will be AB will be so it's equal to yes, yes. But this only for level 3. Okay, it's P3. This is P3 level. There's there's a question asked in Hong Kong Olympic competition, and this P3 level. Okay, and the one in P4 level will be one more. The one with P4 level will be one more here. But they were too difficult for you. Okay, I think, but still okay. You can try yourself. You can try not HIMO, not HIMO, not HIMO. You can try yourself. Okay, I won't. You can try yourself. When the student got this question, they almost want to hit somebody. Okay, okay. You can try yourself. Okay, you try yourself. Okay. If I have time, I will talk about it later. Okay. Okay. Of course, more than 200. Of course, more than 200. Of course, more than 200. Okay. 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 Next one. Okay. Next one.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I saw some questions. 4 of them are rectangles and 4 of them are squares.
They all counted. They all counted. Squares or rectangles is okay. They all counted as rectangles. Okay. Well, do we need to use? Oh. Okay. No, because they all of course the pyramid is 4 bases. Okay, but there's because they're very edges. You just treat it as if. Oops. N face of pyramid has N face pyramid has how many edges? 2 N edges. So just
I think the answer is 20.
yes.
As an example, I draw a square pyramid.
Oh, if the answer is 20, okay, then if it is 4, if your base is 4 sides, then it should be a square pyramid. But because the pyramid not necessarily be a square pyramid, so you just N face pyramid. I think so. It's
divided by 2 plus 1.
So just plus 1, okay. It's just the number of sides of the base plus 1 is okay. Yes, tetrahedron equal to triangle pyramid. Very good. Yes. Yes, E over 2 plus 1. Yes, E over 2 plus 1. Good. Because you have a base. Y plus 1 because you have a base. You have a base. The one is for the base. For the base, okay? The one is for the base. Oops. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, 24. We find the figure below. All smalls are equal to triangle. If the perimeter of small triangle is 24, what is the figure below? Really difficult? Not difficult. I don't think it's difficult. Very simple. Yes. 120. Yes, not difficult. Just do something like this one. It's okay. Then the answer will be 120. Okay, something like this one. Yes. Also, you can treat it as a equilateral triangle, but I don't need to do it. You just put that out, okay? Just 24 by 5 is okay. Okay, next one, 25. A flight of stairs is 7 steps. Alex can go up 1 or 2 steps each time. How many ways are there? Yes, Fibonacci. Actually, it's Fibonacci series, okay?
Oh.
Because we have a ground here. I use G here, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you start with 1 because you start with the ground. 1 here. First method, we start with this one, and 1 here. And for the second step, you can go from ground and you can go from the first step. So you have 1 plus 1 is 2. For the first step is 3, and this is 5. Each step will be adding up to 2 in the front. So it's X here, and the 30 here, and the 21. Okay? So answer 21. 21. Okay.
If 1 or 3 steps at each time.
Of 1 or 3, or 1 to up to 3.
Yeah.
1 or 3. Well, I mean, you're asking 1 or 3 or which one? Which one?
The first one. 1 or 3.
The first one.
1
okay.
step or 3 steps.
The first one. Then will be something like this one. Then will be something like this. Okay. Now, first step here, this one, but the first one, 1. The first one is 1, but the second step you cannot. The second step should be 1 only, because you cannot go from the ground straight to step 2, but you can go from step 1 to step 2. For the first first step, you can go from step 2 and step to the ground. So do 2 here. So will be 2 here. And for step 4 is the same. Oops. For step 4 is the same. Then will be 1 plus 2 is 3. For step 5 is 1 plus 3 is 4. For step 6 is 2 plus 4 is 6. And for step 7 is 3 plus 6 is 9. It will be much less, okay? It will be much less. Because you need to add, you just need to add for step 3, you just need to add this 2. Oops. For step 3, because you can go from.
If fifth step not be step like what?
You can go these 2 way, okay? You can go this way or this way. So you just for step 3, you just add these 2 number. For step 4, you can go from 3 or 1. So you just add these 2 number. Okay?
Excuse me. If
Yes.
fifth step cannot be step,
Which one?
fifth step cannot be step.
Oh, if the step can be a step, then you can put a cross here. Yes, even we ask if it's high level, maybe you can try it. You can try it. Okay. But okay. Let me see. If I change your question. Okay, I change your question. Okay, very good question asked. Oh. 11 steps. Okay, and you can want to steps this time, but uh, 40. How many? The step 5 is okay. How many way you go up? Yes, 30 question. How about this one? Actually, you start with one. Oops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually same method, okay? But there's something in the middle. Oops. Okay, you start with 1. Again, Fibonacci 1, 2, 3, 5. Step 540. So I put a cross here. I put a cross here. Okay, for step 6, you can only go from step 4. So this 5. 5 again. 10 here. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. And 10 plus 15 is 25. And so it's 40. Okay? Just something like this. It's as simple as this one. Because you cannot go step 5, you just copy this one up to this one. And because you cannot go step 5, so these two are the same. And for step 8, you just add 5 plus 5 to 10. And the rest is the same. And the rest is the same.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Okay. 26. How many digits in are there such that number does not contain digit 0, 2, or 4? Question, okay? 30 question. Okay, 30 question. Echo, you can try. Okay, we start. Okay, we will do it together. If you don't know, you will do it together. Okay. But let the smarter guy try first. Okay. No repetition. No repetition. Repetition should be repetition because this one counts. This one counts. Okay. Okay, we start with, okay. Now we will make the three numbers. Okay, we will make the three-digit number. So we don't have 0, 2, or 4. So what is the last digit? It should be 6 or 8. Okay, it should be 6 or 8. Okay, it should be 6 or 8. But because there are no 0, 4, there's 7 choices for this one, and also 7 choices for this one. So the answer will be 7 times 7 times 2, which we could 98. Yes, 98, okay? 98, 7 times 7 times 2, 98, okay? Just that simple. Just that simple.
Excuse me, I didn't understand. Understood. I didn't understood.
Because we do not have 0, 2, or 4 in the number. The last digit must be 6 or 8, okay? There are 2 choices here.
If seven choices from
There are only 2 choices at the last digit, okay? This one, only 2 choices. This was 6 or 8. No, 7 choices because there's no 2, 0, 2, 4. So you count the 10 numbers, only we have 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 choices. Okay?
oh
7 choices. And again, no 2, 0, or 4, also 7 choices for the second digit. So 7 times 7 times 2 digits. So 7 times 7 times 2 is 98. Okay?
the two choices from
It doesn't say that the digits must be different. It can be same. So that's why I said x 880x is included.
oh.
Yes. What's up? What's the question?
So at the last we could write 7, right? Why we write 2?
Because we have even number. If we exclude 0, 2, or 4. It excludes 0, 2, or 4. Only 6 and 8 can be used.
Oh, I understand.
Okay. Okay. Question 27.
Okay, thank you.
Find the smallest difference by using 8 digits from 0 to 7 without repetition from 2-digit numbers. Actually, this is more or less not too difficult because you can tailor make the number. You can tailor make the number, okay?
7.
Actually, you can put x1 and put the y76. Okay? Because you need to find from 0 to 7. Okay, then you just put 4 or 5 or 0, 2. It's arbitrary, okay? So you just 301 minus 2. So just 301 minus 276. Is it 25? Just that simple. Just that simple. Because you can't use 8 or 9. You can't use 8 or 9, okay?
Oh.
You can't use 8 or 9, so you have to do this. No repetition, okay? Without repetition. Yes, what's the problem? You put our hands. What's the problem? Okay, I know you put our hands. What's the problem?
Excuse me, how can we know this fast about this? Why?
Without repetition, means that you can use a number twice.
Why
You cannot use a number twice. Without repetition. Or because I put the smallest in the larger number and put the largest in the small number, so that the 100 digit will be just a difference of 1 is okay. Okay. Any question?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
No.
Question 28, very simple. Question 28, very simple. 187 are either A, B, C, D, or E. That is how many students are there at class with the most students. Because you just because the at least how many students with the most students. So you just evenly distribute. Oops, evenly distribute the students. Okay, just 187 divided by 5. What is this one? I think you should say 37. Is it 37? 37 by 2. Okay, now. At least each class have 37 students and 2 students are being allocated. So the answer will be 37 plus 1. 38. 38, okay? 38. Yes, 38, 37, sorry, 38. At most, okay? The most. So to put 38, okay? Okay, at least
from where?
At least for most students. How about at most for least students? Okay, that will be 37. At most for least student is 37. At least for most students will be 38. Because you just need to distribute it evenly.
Excuse me, from where we got 1?
However, the one is because you have 2 students left to be allocated. You have 2 more students to be allocated for every, because you have every class we have 7 students. We have every class of 7 students plus 2 more. But these 2 students have to put in class, so you should. Okay, but these 2 have to put in the class of 37, so you at least add 1 to 37. Okay, the 1 will be here. The 1 will be from these 2 students. Okay. Okay. Stop spamming. Okay, Grant. Okay, 29. It's given the total weight of 2 apples and 3 oranges. It's 900 grams, and 2 weight 3 apples and 280 grams. Total weight 1 apple, 1 oranges. Now, you can. There's 2 ways to do it. Okay, there's 2 ways to do this one. There's 2 ways to do this one. There's 2 ways to do this one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, you can add all this up, because the first one is just some you find the first way. Oops. Find and O. Okay. But because if you do find O, okay. But it will be very tedious. Okay. And you will find A equal to 120 and O equal to 220. Oops. So A plus O equal to 340. But for the second one, which I suggest this one here, adding all up, 5A plus 5O equal to, oops, again. Then we have A plus O equal to 340. Both are okay. Both are okay. Both are okay. Yes, N is, I think N is, this time N is better. This time N is better. Yes. Okay. Okay. I will give you some more after 30. I will give some more after 30. From 19 to 70, there's 61. There's 61 number drawn from 60 index from 1970 to 79. At least how many numbers are drawn at random to ensure there are no two numbers, no sum of 62. I think I will let you think. I will let you try this question first. I will not have the answer first, okay?
Oh,
You try this one. You try this one.
it took about a long time, but for TIMO it's about only 2 hours.
The sum, not the minus 6, the sum, okay? The sum. You can pay up first, okay? This one, okay? So you can make groups. You can make groups something like this one, okay? Then number of groups will be equal to this. I think this how many numbers are here? This how okay. No. I think it's up to 79. Okay. Up to 79. So this the number of groups. What's the number of groups? The number of groups will be equal to what?
12.
Number of groups is sorry not this will be not kind. Okay, this I think this 43 is not a group. Okay, let me omit it. Okay, the number of group will be 36 plus 12. No, not 36. 79 minus 43. Yes. 36 plus there's group 12 plus 1 plus 1. 50. Yes, 79. So there will be some. I think you start counting 44. Okay, it should be 44. Because the number big, the number larger than 43 is not it cannot be make up to 62, but it will be taken away when you are not lucky. Okay, so there will be the number of those numbers are counted. So there are 36 of them, and then the largest 79. Okay, the largest 79. The reason for 79 is this. The reason for 79 is this. Okay. Okay, the 079 is this. Okay. These here are 36 these should be 36 numbers. 36 numbers. Okay. No pairs. Okay. The one is for here. And this for the 12. This for the 36. And the one at last should be the last one. The last one to make up the 50.
I didn't understand.
Oh, because for using Pigeonhole principle, you have to take it one for each group first, and when all of the groups have been taken, when you take one more, when we fulfill the requirement. For example, if you don't understand what is Pigeonhole principle, you can take what's that. When you have now you have $10 amount and 3 couples. That will be at least okay. There will be at least 1 couple with $4 amounts, because 10 divided by you can put $3 amounts each in a cupboard, but you left your hand in your hand with $1 amount, and you have to put the dollar amount in any of the cupboard. So when you put the cup in, randomly pick a cupboard, they will get $4 amount in that cupboard. Okay, that will be the Pigeonhole principle. Actually, I'm using Pigeonhole principle here because the one here, it doesn't count. It doesn't count in the. It doesn't count in your sum because you don't make pair up to 62, but you have to take it out because if you are not lucky enough, you will take it out for in Pigeonhole principle. So this 36 is counted, and because 31 you cannot pair up. For 31 you cannot pair up, so you have to add this one, because 31 times 2 you cannot pick a number twice. You cannot pick a same number twice. You get 31 is counted as this group. Okay, and this one for 19 to 30 to 19 to 30, because they can pair up with the other number. They can pair up with the other number for 62. So the kind of groups here, there are 12 groups here. From 19 to 30, there are 12 numbers. From 19 to 30, there are 12 numbers. There are 12 groups. So they account for the 12 here. Account for the 12 here, okay? Oops. Account for the 12 here. And then when all the groups had like a 1 element, the remaining that you can fulfill your requirement by taking 1 element only. So the answer will be 36 plus 12 plus 1 plus the last one. 36 plus 12 plus this one plus the last one to take. Okay.
So the answer is
50.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me. Okay. There's some. I'll give you some question. Okay, on this one. Okay. Oh, maybe you just a little. You just try this one. I think I'm okay. Actually, this one, okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, how many rectangles? Just this one. How many rectangles? Okay, okay. At least not 100. Okay, not 100, not 100, not. It's a 4x5. Yes, it's not a 4x4. Yes. Actually, you for doing such kind of question, you can do something like this one. Okay, you just get the line back. You get the line first. Okay, so you just like but you need to subtract something from 150. You need to subtract something from 150. Okay. Now we start to subtract. You start to subtract. Oops. Count all the square. Count all the rectangles using this line. You just count all the rectangles using this line. Okay. Count all the rectangles using this line. It'll be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Should be like this. Okay. It should be said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 5 times 4. So the answer 130. 130. The answer 130. Okay. You subtract all the rectangles using this red line, okay? You just subtract all the rectangle using this red line, is okay. Because if you use this red line, the other line will be this 5 or 1 or 1. Okay, and because if you do this red line, the other red line source will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also because you the rectangle, one line should be here, and the one of the lines should be here, and other 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just subtract 5 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4 is 130. Any question on this one? Any question on this one? Okay, the next one. Just for your information. Okay, now thinking, just for thinking. Not 5, not 5, not 5. Okay, not 5. Just think, not 5. $120. Not 106. Not 6. Okay, not 6. Not 6. 10. Not 10. Okay. Coming closer, coming closer. Of course, not 25. Oh, 5CP is 10. Okay. Not this one.
Is it 6?
Not 6. Not 6. One of you got like right answer. One of you got the answer.
Is it 7?
One of you got the answer.
Is it 5?
Is it 7?
Of course, you do have a stopwatch, okay? If you have a stopwatch, this should be 5. But you don't have a stopwatch, it's not be 5.
Is 7 the correct answer?
10?
Okay. Most of you got most of. Well. How many did? Okay, you start with. Okay, you start with this one. Okay, you divide the 5 groups. Okay, A1. You divide the horses into 5 groups. Okay, you divide the horses into 5 groups. Each one have 5 horses and won the first 5 matches. So we find A1, A2 up to A5, and B1, B2 up to B5, and C1, C2 up to C5, B1, E1. Okay.
Is it probably 9?
Now the next matchup will be these 5 horses to these 5. Will be matching these 5 to arrange the order of the group. Okay. Then after 6 matches. Oops.
Excuse me, is the answer 16?
No. After 6 matches, we will have this order.
I think it might be 7 or 11.
After 6 matches, we have this order. So which is the fastest? The fastest is the A1, okay? This is fastest, okay? Now, then the next match will be counting the 5 horses, which is 2 paces larger, slower than A1. So we have A2, A3, B1, B2, and C1.
Okay, I get it now.
The 7 matches. So the answer is 7. The answer is 7. One of you get the right at the first time. Okay, I know who she is. Okay, because the 7 matches will be counting. You'll be finding. The 7 will find the second and the third. Okay, the second will find only 7 matches. Okay, the answer is 7. Because for the 7th match, here will be winner. Okay. The use of the 7 matches here.
Could you explain
Yes.
it again?
Okay, now first. If have stopwatch only 5 is okay. You just jot you look the time down. Is just count the series. Okay. Now you divide the 35 horses into 5 groups. Okay, you divide the 25 horses into 5 groups, and then you match 5 times first. You have A1 to A5, B1 to B5, C1 to E5, D1 to E5, E1 to E5. Okay, and then the 5 groups, the winner of the 5 groups match again. Then will be the 6th match. Okay, the fastest will be A1. Now I arrange a group in order according to the 6th match. So A1 to A5 will be the fastest group. B1 to B5 is second fastest. C1 to B5 the next. D1 to D5, E1 to E5. So actually, D1 to D5 and E1 to E5 doesn't matter because it won't be in the group 1 to it won't be the first or second, third place already. The problem is now we already know that A1 is the fastest. A1 is the fastest, okay? But for the second and the third, we have to determine between A2, A3, B1, B2, and C1. Because these 5 horses are 2 paces smaller than A1. So it doesn't know, because we don't have a small stopwatch. We don't know they are faster, which faster, or maybe A3 is faster than C1. A3 is faster than C1, or A3 is faster than B1. I don't know that. So we have to match between A2, A3, B1, B2, and C1. So the position is the 7th match. And the 7th match will count the second place and the third place here. Because the winner of the 7th match will be the second. And the first one up will be the third fastest horse in these 25 horses. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so the answer is 7. The answer is 7. Any question on this one?
No.
Okay, the one who can answer, because this one actually is a question which in the job interview of some of America's IT company. Okay, which one the one should be answered this one in 3 minutes. The one I got the one that answer in 3 minutes. Okay, very careful. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. The last one. Okay, so it should be last one. Okay. Oh, let's see. Let's see. I think I should put here. At okay, this year, 2021. I mean factors into prime factors, okay? Prime factors. Very good. Someone got the answer. Someone got the answer. Very good.
One of the factors is 21 and 1, and then it can't be divided by 3.
Okay, 43 times 47. Okay, this year 2021. So you just memorize this one. But there is a fast way to do this because maybe you don't know this formula. Okay. Because maybe you don't know this formula, but if you know this formula, it will be very fast for you. Okay, because you put
I actually think.
Okay, 2025 is 45, the square of 45, and 4 is the square of 2. So you just put this one because then you'll be 45 plus 2, 40 plus 2 times 45 minus 2. Okay, so it's equal to 43 by 44.7. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Just remember this because the question papers always use the year in the question paper. Okay, you just remember this one. Okay, okay. Any other question on the paper? If no question, we'll be the end of the lesson. We're the end of the lesson. Okay, we'll finish here. If no question, we'll finish here.
Excuse me.
Yes, yes, yes.
If in the geometry.
Which question? Which question? Which question? Which question?
In geometry, there is the square, right?
Where? Which one? Can you see
with the dot? The square with the dot.
The factorize?
No, the rectangle with the dot.
The triangle. Triangle. Okay. Let me see. This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
That one is.
Oh, because the not the side is the perimeter.
Not this. The square.
If not this the square.
Not this.
Oops.
The square.
The square here.
Yeah, the.
Or the square. This one. Is it this one?
No, the square with the dot. The rectangle.
This one.
Yeah. And there we Example, we have 4 rectangles and 4 squares, and the dot is one of the square. If like that, like what?
Oh, there is a square, there's a rectangles, but because because squares are counted as rectangles, but rectangles are not counted as squares. So you just count the rectangles, it's okay. You already included the squares here.
Teacher.
Any other questions? Any other questions?
It's 115.
15, okay. Yes,
Past.
15. What's the problem? What's the problem?
Yeah,
15.
Oh, teacher, the time is
You
teacher. The time is 10. It's 1:15. It's already past 1:15.
115. Oh, it's 1:15. Okay. You can go now. I mean that if you don't have question, you can go. I mean that if you have question, you can ask. Okay. You can go. If you don't have question, you can go. If you have question, you can ask me. Okay. You have question on this paper, you can ask me. Or if you don't have, you can go back to the main room and leave. Okay.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Excuse me.